Hello, everybody. I hope that you're doing well. Today is Mother's Day. I want you to celebrate all the mothers across the world. But most importantly, I also wanted to celebrate my mother here, Mama Ellen Matala. This video is a video that I'm sharing to all the mothers in my Facebook as well, or Instagram or Twitter, and whichever platform you're watching it. Mom, this is especially for you. And this video, I'm going to be sharing a poem that I wrote in my book called My Heart of Love. This poem, it's called The Love of a Mother. It is the first poem inside my book. For those of you who don't know that I've published a book, you can go on Amazon and type My Heart of Love by Gloria Chokama, and you see that book. So here we go. I'm reading the first poem called The Love of a Mother. Love in the vein and heart in the soul, beauty in the heart and care in action. You comforted me with warm hugs. Like fire in the morning, you inspired me. In the midst of struggle, you show me care. Mom, you are special. Mom, I love you. Mom, I care for you. With the love of a mother, life is comfortable. She spread her grace and favor for me to be whole. Blessed be the power that made thy love. Blessed be the heart that shares such care for humanity. Through you, I experienced the love of a mother. Only you could have taught me such empathic love. You chose to show me love in the midst of adversity. I love you, Mom. That was the poem, The Love of a Mother. I'm dedicating this video to all the mothers across the world, and especially to my mom, Ellen Matala. This video is for you. Mom, I love you so much. And please make sure to share this video with your mother. Share this video on your social media to really share this message to all the mothers across the world. And if you'd like to get a copy for your mom, or you want to get a copy just for yourself, make sure to go on Amazon.com and you can buy the book, or you can download it for free actually this week. If you have a Kindle, you can download it for free this week. And the book, it's called My Heart of Love by Gloria Chokama. Go ahead, get your copy and enjoy the reading. And the audiobook will be coming up 2 weeks from now. You'll be able to download the audiobook online. And there is an artist who's reading that audiobook, and it's amazing. I love it. And you'll be able to have access to it 2 weeks from now on Amazon, iTunes, and all other audio platforms out there. And thank you so much for watching the video. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mom. I'm very excited. Mom, happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom.